There's the old truck bed they pulled out. Hey, bro, that one? That one? No way, bro. Did we? What is this? This ain't a fish. You'd have been flopping already. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that fucking beautiful. It's fucking on the worm. Wasn't even expecting the fucking shit out of this. All right, brother, let's set you up. Let's set you up, dog, so you can get out of here. Quicker the better. All right. All right, let's get away from him. Oh, yeah. Pop him on a good worm, dude. Let's get that thing out of there for you, all right? Hold on. I got you, dog. I got you. I know, dude. Fucking trying here. Dog. There. Alright, let's see. Let's see your weight, dude. You look like a big dude, bro. Look like a big homie. Doesn't he? He looks like a big guy. Likes to eat. Yeah, look at that point. I don't know if you can see that. Damn it. Here. Let's measure him out. Yeah, that dude's a good 16. That shit's 17. Top. Oh yeah, you're a beauty, dude. Good boy. Good boy. It's time to let you go. Thanks, boy. Oh yeah. All right, dog. Good? Yeah, he good. Let's go.